Hey, Mr. Patrick, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. First and foremost, thank you so much for your recent online interest through the TrueCar auto buying service and one of the hottest vehicles on the road right now, the 2019 Honda Pilot. These are both Touring Elite models, which you'd inquired on through the buying service, and it's been a stellar product for us here at Tameron. I mean, it's one of the top-rated mid-size SUVs in America right now, and you got a little bit of a refresh for the 2019 design. As you can see, changed up the wheel style there, really nice machine finish with that piano black offset there, LED lights standard, a new operating system for your touchscreen, which is also going to be compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, multi-angle backup cameras. I mean, the list really goes on and on. That Touring Elite's got everything the Pilot has to offer. We'd love to invite you out for a VIP test drive, sir. You can reach me direct at 205-504-2358 by phone or text, and I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.